Hello guys, welcome to my shortest video ever on YouTube. This is my latest giveaway and I just wanted to quickly film and show you everything that's in it so you can check it out. So this is not a major epic giveaway, but this is going to be one of my regular things I'm going to do here on YouTube. I want to show my appreciation for you guys. So at least monthly, maybe every few weeks here on YouTube and on Instagram, I'm going to do a giveaway, one for each. So you have plenty of chances to win. So I'm going to keep it really simple. For this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube, obviously. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you would like, please turn on post notifications as well so you know that I upload. In addition to that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what item you're seeing right here that would be the most exciting thing for you to win. And also, you can go on Instagram and enter that giveaway as well so you have double the chances. Also, make sure you guys go leave a like and comment on my last 3 videos and they will be linked down below. And if you'd like an additional entry into this giveaway, make sure you are following me on Instagram and leave your Instagram handle in the comment down below letting me know what is the item you're most excited to win from this giveaway. And that is it, guys. It's open internationally. It will be open for a few weeks to a month. I would like to pick the winner probably around Valentine's Day, so you have plenty of time to enter. And again, I hope you guys like the prizes, and I just want to say thank you so much for everything you guys do for me here and your constant support. So that is it. Here's my giveaway. There's Mr. Manners, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.